I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start with connectivity and the Alexa app. This is the only way to push a new photo to your Echo Show. First, make sure your Echo Show and phone are on the same Wi-Fi and signed into the same Amazon account. Then open the Alexa app and tap Devices, choose Echo and Alexa, and select your Echo Show. Once done, tap Settings for that device and scroll to the Photos section. That's where you'll begin uploading or linking an album. Now you'll add the image itself. In the Devices Photos or Home Screen settings, pick Upload Photo to send a single image, or choose to link an Amazon Photos album if you want rotating images. If you upload, select the file from your phone's gallery and confirm. If you link, choose the album and enable it for the Echo Show. Make sure to grant app permissions when prompted, because without access the upload won't work. Wait until the app shows an upload or link confirmation. Finish by applying the photo as wallpaper or home card so the Echo Show displays it. In the device settings, choose Wallpaper or Home Cards and pick the uploaded or linked image. If the change doesn't appear, restart the Echo Show and force close the Alexa app, then reopen and check settings again. If problems persist, make sure the Alexa app uses the same Amazon account and that Amazon photos finish syncing. Often a mismatched account.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.